everyone, welcome back to Pranav's Corner, and today I'll be showing you this mind-blowing card trick. Okay, so first let's shuffle the deck just like that. Then you can actually see that all these cards are nice and mixed up just like that. I'm gonna show you each and every card so that you trust me. Okay, so now let's move on to the next part of the trick. Now I would ask the spectator to touch any card from the center of the deck or anything. Let's just say they touch this. So I'm not gonna look. So this is gonna be the card, okay? I'm gonna put it right here on the top. Now I'll just give the deck a cut and a few more cuts. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, just like that. Now I'm gonna take out some special cards, so just a second. So I'm gonna take the ace out, and also another card out, and just a second guys, it's almost done, and this right here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this right there. So these are the cards which I selected. They're actually these cards right here. So the first one which I selected is none other than the one of blue or the ace of spades in Uno deck. Okay, and I'm gonna keep it right here just like that. Now the second one, maybe you might be able to guess this. It is the two of blue or the two of spades. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna place that here. And then the last one is obviously, yeah, you can just ask the spectator if you have a spectator. Yeah, just like that. And then the last one is the three of blue. Okay, the three of spades. Okay, whatever. Now let's put it right here. So first, starting from the three of spades, this is what it does. So if I place, if I do that, it's actually on the bottom, right? That happens, just comes to the top, just like that. And the two here actually does the reverse. You have to just put it on the top, then snap your fingers and something just falls down randomly. That happens to be the two. And the ace or the one of blue, show you, the one of blue right here is actually a little complicated. This is what it does. It goes in the deck, searches, and it comes back and actually teleports itself with the card which it found, just like that, and it goes back. That's the trick, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Now here's the tutorial. So let me just put these cards in quickly. Yeah, so this trick is impromptu, but yeah, okay, first just shuffle the deck. I'll tell you what to do now. So you're gonna show the spectator that all the cards are nice and shuffled. Look, this is a very good move to do. So once you see the ace of spades or the one of blue, you're actually gonna do that. You're just gonna pull it out. You're gonna pull it out with your middle and your index finger, just like that. And the spectator should not see that. And you can actually see that it's not in the deck, it's not getting spread. So you're just gonna wait till it reaches the end, and then look, when you square up the cards, automatically it ends up on the top. Or you could just do anything to make the ace of spades end up on the top. Now moving on to the next part of the trick, you're gonna do this. You're gonna ask the spectator to touch any card. Let's just say they touch this one right here. Okay, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna see it for the trick. So you don't need to see this in the real trick. Now you're gonna flip this card over, obviously, and actually you're gonna give a cut, trust me. Just like that. No gimmicks, no cheating or anything. A normal cut. Now once you're done with the cut, you're gonna look in the deck for yourself. You're not gonna show this to the spectator. You're gonna find the 2 of spades, the 3 of spades, and the ace of spades. Okay, so I just found the 2 of spades. Now the 3 of spades. Yeah, so look, once you found the ace of spades or the 1 of blue, the card after it is actually the spectator's card, as I showed you that time. So you're gonna outjock the spectator's card, not the 1 of blue. You might have seen that in the performance because the camera is pointing directly to my hand. So now the 3 of blue is right here, so you're gonna get that too. Once you have these, you're gonna put the 3 of blue right here, just like that. And then look, you're just gonna cut these cards, all these cards on the top. And now just take the cards, so just take them and put them on the top. Make sure they're after the ace of spades, so just like that. So from the top it should be, from the bottom it should be before, and from the top it should be after. So basically what you've done is this. You have the spectator's selection on the top, you have the ace of spades after the spectator's selection, the 2 of spades, then the 3 of spades, just like that. Okay, you're gonna keep these all in the same order. And now you're gonna do a double lift. I've taught a detailed tutorial in my channel, you can go check that out. So you're gonna do a double lift, and then you're gonna show them the 1 of blue. Well, it's actually their card and the 1 of blue. And then you're gonna take the top card, which is their card, and keep it here. Once again, you're gonna do a double lift, just like that. Show the 2 of blue, but it's actually the 1 of blue and the 2 of blue. Then you're gonna place the 1 of blue here, and then once again you're gonna do a double lift, showing the 3 of blue, and place the 2 of blue. You're not gonna show that, okay? You're just gonna show the 3 of blue, double lifting, that part. Now you can explain it to them. So you're just gonna place the deck, the whole deck, on the 2 of blue, but as per them, the 3 of blue, just like that. Now if you see, actually it's right on the top, so that will amaze the spectator. Now if you look in the bottom, this is actually the 2 of blue. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Now you're gonna do that opposite thing which I just told you. It's the ace of spades right here on the top, then it jumps to the bottom. You can just hold the thumb break and then you can leave it later, just like that. You can do whatever you want. And then for the ace of spades, you're not just gonna show it like that directly. You're gonna keep it. Now once again do a double lift and show the ace of spades, and then you're gonna place this card here, which is the spectator's card, and then you can just say those things that I told in the performance. Yeah, well, that's a trick. I think this wasn't so hard. Well, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. You can check out my other videos too. I recently taught a cube magic trick, so that's mind-blowing. You can learn that too. It's not that hard. So well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.